I am so happy for Hansle Parchment and Ronald Levy. This is not the first Olympic medal for Hansle Parchment because he won the bronze back in London 2012, and he also won the World Championship silver medal back in 2015. Yeah, so this is like an upgrade, and I'm so happy for him. He's from St. Thomas. So I know a lot of people in St. Thomas right now are making a lot of noises for him. True son of the soil from St. Thomas. Yeah, man. I will if a nice will make no man. Listen, I was on the track with them. I jump hurdles. I hop. I skip. I scream. I'm tired. I came in dead last, but I'm tired. And I'm so happy for them. Trust me. Hansle won the race in 13.4 seconds. Yeah, man. And then you have Ronald Levy. Yeah, man. Ronald Levy is from Grangeville, Westmoreland. And he has plagued with injuries as well. This is his first major medal. He has never won. I don't think he has ever been to the Olympics before either. So this is like an accomplishment for him and for me as well. I mean, I felt as if I won those medals as well. That's how I'm really happy for them, man. Yeah, man. So we won the gold and the bronze, and we are so happy. And they will be on the podium, and the Jamaican national anthems will be playing. Oh my God, I am one proud Jamaican right now. I am so proud to be called a Jamaican. Jamaica, my island home. I love my country. I'm a very cultural person. When it comes to Jamaica and Jamaican food, authentic food, I'm very passionate about it. Listen, that's all I got to say. I am out of breath because I was jumping hurdles as well. Congrats to Andrew Parchment and Ronald Levy. You have made Jamaican proud. And I would like to say congrats to the American as well. Grant, he seems very humble. Walk good.